If you want to enable overlay scroll bars in Google Chrome, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps in just a few moments. Overlay scroll bars are a small but useful Chrome feature that can make the browser look cleaner and more modern by keeping the scroll bar tucked away until you need it. If you enjoy simple tech tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy how-to videos. Alright, let's jump right in. First, launch Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the address bar at the top of the window. This is where you can type special Chrome commands and settings pages. Click inside the address bar, type Chrome/flags, and then press enter on your keyboard. After a moment, Chrome will open the experiments page. This page contains hidden and experimental features that are not enabled by default. Since there are many options here, use the search bar at the absolute top of the page. Click in that search field and type scroll bars or overlay scroll bars. Chrome will filter the list so you can find the exact setting much faster. Now look for the flag called Overlay Scrollbar. You should see a description that says it enables the experimental Overlay Scrollbars implementation. This is the setting you need. To turn it on, click the drop-down box on the right side of the flag. By default, it will usually say Default. Change that drop-down to Enabled. Once you select Enabled, Chrome may prompt you to restart the browser so the change can take effect. If you see a restart button, click it to relaunch Chrome. After Chrome reopens, the Overlay Scrollbars feature should be active. And that's it. You've now enabled Overlay Scrollbars in Google Chrome. It's a quick change, but it can make your browsing experience feel a little smoother and more streamlined. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple Chrome tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.